Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the phone. Make sure your iPhone 13 is charged and updated to the iOS level the app requires. Next, download a well-rated dynamic island emulator from the App Store or a trusted sideload tool. This creates the visual and interactive bubble. Grant the app notifications, location, and background app refresh so it can mimic live activities. Once done, open the app and follow its onboarding prompts to create a new dynamic island profile and test the initial animation. Now you'll configure how the dynamic island behaves and looks. Select a template such as music, incoming calls, or a timer. Templates require actions and layouts. Customize interaction. Assign tap to open an app, long press for controls, or swipe to dismiss. Then tune visual settings. Set width, height, color accents, transparency, and safe area offsets so it doesn't overlap system UI. Make sure to preview each change in the app simulator and save a named profile so you can quickly switch settings. Finish by activating your saved profile and testing with real events. Play music, start a timer, or trigger a call to confirm animations and interactions. If the dynamic island flickers or doesn't update, make sure background app refresh is enabled and regrant notifications and location permissions. Once you've checked those, restart your iPhone to clear display buffers. If problems persist, reinstall the app and import your backup settings. This often resolves corrupted profiles. If still broken, test another emulator app to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.